Need help solving a business challenge or just looking for inspiration from fellow trailblazers? I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce, and the host of How I Solved It, a monthly YouTube series where we spotlight a specific business challenge and show how one awesome admin chose to solve it. Now we're going to deep dive into the technical aspects, sharing their configurations and strategies in detail. And that's not all. Each episode is accompanied by a detailed blog post that offers a thorough exploration of the solution. And who knows, a glimpse into their solution may spark an idea for solving your own business challenges. So if you're ready to level up on your Salesforce skills, head over to the Salesforce Admin's YouTube channel and check out our How I Solved It episodes.
Awesome admin.